Well, the focus of PM&R physiatry is mainly to improve the patient's quality of life. So when you improve their life and you make them happy and you make their families happy and you see the community improve as a whole, then of course that makes it very fulfilling for me as a person. My father was in the Army, so I spent most of my years growing up in Europe and multiple parts of the United States. I eventually ended up in Texas for college. I went to St. Mary's University in San Antonio, and then went to University of Texas in Galveston for medical school. I was active duty with the United States Air Force. I was a flight surgeon for 4 years. During that time, 9/11 occurred, so I was deployed multiple times for enduring freedom. Well, during the time I was in the Air Force, I had met many physiatrists who had taken care of some of the wounded warriors, and I decided that that's what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. And so I took on a residency in PM&R in Maryland at Johns Hopkins Sinai Hospital. PM&R physicians, we focus on the whole person, not a specific body part. We provide non-surgical treatment for disabling conditions of any sort. I have a few spinal cord injury patients. I have a few amputee patients. I have a few brain injury patients. Primarily, my patients have neck and back pain issues. I'm married to Mark McKenzie. He's a cardiologist at Legacy Heart Center. We met in medical school and we'll be celebrating our 20th anniversary this year. We have 2 young daughters, Colleen and Kirsten, who are very busy and keep me very busy when I'm not at work. Most of my community activities revolve around my children, my 2 daughters. I'm very active with the PTA at Centennial Elementary School. I was their director for their volunteers for 2 years. I also am a Girl Scout troop leader. I've been doing that for 2 years. And I'm a faith formation teacher at our church. My biggest hobby is traveling. So anytime I get a break from work or my kids have off from school, we always go travel somewhere. I love to explore new cultures and meet new people.